Hey Srini, congratulations on your 50th birthday. Wish I was there to celebrate it with you. Again, many memories come to my mind, the good old Indranagar days. And one memory which comes to my mind very often is whenever I go to a restaurant and read a menu card, you know what I'm talking about. Again, wishing you many, many more years of good health, peace, and prosperity. Take fresh guard, mark your crease, and bat for another 50 more years. Again, enjoy this day. My love to Pavna and Sandhya. Bye.
Happy
Happy
birthday,
birthday,
Siri uncle.
Shri. Wonderful, wonderful year ahead. Wishing all the best and to many more get togethers that we've had, all the trips that we have done so far from.
From Kabini to Germany, Europe to everywhere.
Indranagar Club.
Indranagar
Yes,
Club,
and all the restaurants that we have had,
Shangri-La.
and all the lunches and dinners that we've had together. It's been so wonderful.
I
It's
think
been a
UB
while.
City also. We've been to UB City or
Many, many
Fava
times.
a couple of times.
KR Market, where we've had groundnuts, and of course, Srini, we can never forget the Indranagar Club sandwiches, which were really, remember, 2 rupees, and we used to share that. So we've come a long time. We've had lots of fun, lots of trips. I remember Singapore. I remember Europe in particular. So look forward to more of them. Wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. Good health, happiness, and hopefully we can get together more once this COVID situation improves. Okay.
Take care, Shrini. Have a blessed year ahead. Bye.
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 Hi Srini, this is Anil, your childhood friend Kadi. Wish you a very happy 50th birthday. Uh, you've always been a great friend. I hold you very close to my heart. I cherish all the childhood memories, going uh, around Bangalore, riding doubles behind you on the bicycle, uh, eating the cream buns in Shivaji Nagar, visiting your granddad's place, going to your relative's house, eating the nipparts, and of course the wonderful days in Indranagar Club. What you taught me early in life was to be happy. You don't need to be rich or have influential family or parents. All these small things could bring you a lot of joy, and I cherish each one of them which I've spent with you and hold it very dearly to my heart. So once again, wish you a happy 50th birthday. Stay well, stay healthy, and look forward to your next 50 years. Good luck and God bless. Thank you.
Happy 50th birthday, Srini. Have a nice day and years to come. We've had some good memories together, right from our childhood days, where we used to bunk classes and go outside. Um, then even we had some good memories like the Goa trip and Coorg, where when you were dating Sandhya. It was a great experience. So have a nice time. Enjoy your 50th birthday. God bless you.
जन्मदिवसस्य हार्दिकशुभकामनानि भगवत् अनुग्रह प्राप्तिरस्तु. Shrini, it's time we should saddle and start riding. Happy birthday to you.
Wish you a very happy 50th birthday, Srini.
Happy birthday. 50 years, man. Can't believe it. Mutka bit yellow. Still remember the days where your pen friend thought we were gay because we were riding on the bike together. It's been a long time, man. Have a great day and year ahead. Live to be another 50 years. So nice of Pavna to be compiling this, to putting things together, even in these difficult times. Two more surprise wishes for you.
Happy birthday, Shrini.
Srini, happy birthday, Raja. Have a nice day.
Hope they were good surprises. Have a great day, man. We'll catch up. It calls for a big party. Bye.
This is for one of the
biggest foodie that I know of. Someone who knows every food joint in every nook and corner of Bangalore, just not Bangalore, be it Bombay, Mangalore, or any city that he's been to. Just not eateries, but also where you get wonderful chickies. Also, someone who has got a great sense of humor, someone who always makes people laugh and is carrying goodies to share with people at any point in time. One and only Srini. Wishing you a very, very, very happy Golden Jubilee. Wishing you all the very best for your next milestones in life. That's for 75 and 100 years. Wishing that you get the best of everything. Health, wealth, prosperity, peace of mind, and continue carrying your goodies and keeping people smiling. Happy birthday, Srini.
Hi Srini, wish you a very very happy 50th birthday. You are, I don't say you're going to become old, you are going to become golden. Okay, so enjoy your life from here on, and you've been working very very hard. My wish for you is to enjoy your life with your family and friends. Go out, smell the flowers. Please do it starting now. Okay, God bless you. Have a great time. Have a great future ahead. Okay, 1 second.
Hi Srini, wish you many many more happy turns of the day today and another 50 years to come. May you stay well, happy, healthy and prosperous, and have a good time. That's more important, and healthy. Bye.
See you.
Hi Srini, wishing you a wonderful golden birthday day, yeah, with all golden wishes. Have a wonderful life. You started off as a chicky boy and you landed as an entrepreneur. That's wonderful progress, yeah. Get going and have a nice life. Have a nice future in your business with Sandhya, with Pavana. Have a wonderful family life too.
Hi Srini, wishing you a very happy 50th birthday. Wishing you a nice and loving life ahead.
You know what, Srini? Tata used to say, "Hey, chikki kana tinedan kana sampadichu." I'm sure if Tata was there, he would have been very happy to see you. And my dad used to call you Mudgiring. Remember? He also would have been happier. Anyway, their blessings will be there with you always. Okay. Have a nice day too.
Happy birthday, Srini. Have a wonderful day.
Happy birthday, Srini. Have a great one.
We are ready for the party.
Hi Srini, wishing you a very very happy 50th birthday. I always thought you were the surprise element of our family because you were so casual and carefree during your youth, and then you turned out to be the most fantastic husband and the most fantastic father, and what a career. Too good. I'm so proud of you. God bless.
A very happy 50th birthday, Srini. I just can't believe my little brother, who was the chicky boy, is turning 50. Have a wonderful future. Have a wonderful time. God bless you with all your wishes.
Wish you a happy 50th birthday, Srini. God bless you and fulfill all your.
ಹಾಯ್ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್, ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ದೇವರು ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಮಾಡಲಿ. ಯಾವಾಗೂ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರ್ರಿ, ನಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ರಿ.
Happy 50th birthday, Srinivas.
Happy birthday, Appa. Have a great day ahead.
Happy birthday, Srinivas. I just want to thank you for everything you've done for us, and thank you for all the times you've been there just to listen, to talk, and mostly just to care. It's really difficult to put our feelings into words, but I think it's really important to tell you how important you are to us, and you really mean a lot to us. I really pray to God you have all the happiness and have a great year and great day. Happy birthday again, Srinivas.
Hi Srinivas, many happy returns of the day. Have a wonderful day and a wonderful year ahead.
Hi Srinivas, wish you a very happy birthday. May God bless you with lots of love and happiness. Have a nice year ahead.
Have a blast. Bye.
Bye bye.
Hi Srinivas, many happy returns of the day.
Wish you happy 50th birthday. God fulfill all your dreams.
Wishing you many more happy returns of the day. You're the coolest mama I've ever had. Stay blessed. Bye.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Srinivas.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Have a great year.
Happy birthday, Uncle. God bless you. All the best.
Happy 50th. Have a great year ahead.
Happy 50th birthday.
Dear Baugaru.
Srini, have a great one.
Happy 50th birthday, Papaya. Happy 50th birthday, Papaya. Hope you have an amazing day and amazing year. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Srinivas uncle. Happy birthday to you. Alles Gute, Zambugastab.
Ready.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Srini Tata. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you, dear. May God bless you, dear. May God bless you,
Dear Tata.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Srini Tata. Hello, Srini Tata. I'm going to send something and draw something and send it to you.
Hey Srini.
Happy birthday, Tata.
Happy birthday, Srini Tata. No. say. Happy. Come. Good boy. Say.
Can
say.
I tell by myself?
Yes, you tell by yourself. Tata cannot hear you. Say. No. A little louder. Loudly now. Loudly. Happy 50th birthday, Srini Mama. May the next 50 years be as fabulous as the previous one. Have a great day.
హలో శ్రీనివాస్ నీకు బర్త్డే అంటాడు రేపు దేవుడు నీకు ఆరోగ్య భాగ్యం ఇచ్చి చూసుకొని నీపా
Wish you happy 50th birthday, Srini.
దేవుడు ఆరోగ్యం మనశ్శాంతి అంతా ఇచ్చి బాగా కాపాడుకోరు
Many happy returns of the day. Stay happy. Enjoy a day. May God bless you.
Srini, all your life you have been a very good and humble, nice person, always helping in nature, wishing good for everybody. I wish that you continue to live like that in the future also. Hope you grow in your factory. May God shower His blessings. You appoint more people and help more families. Happy birthday, 50th birthday, Srini boy.
Happy 50th birthday. Once again, happy 50th birthday.
Happy 50th birthday, Srinivas.
Okay.
Many more returns of the day. సీను మా ఆశీర్వాదాలు ఎప్పుడు నీకు ఉంటుంది.
హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే సీను, ఎప్పుడు నువ్వు బాగుంటావు, మా ఆశీర్వాదం ఎప్పుడు బాగుంటుంది.
Many happy returns of the day. God bless you. Enjoy.
Many happy returns of the day, Srinivas.
Many happy returns of the day, Srinivas. Happy birthday.
Hi Srinivas. Happy birthday to you. God bless you. Stay blessed. God fulfill your ambitions. Give you health, good health, prosperity, wealth, and everything. Okay, bye.
Wish you, Srinivas, a very happy birthday. May God bless you with long life, peace, health, and prosperity.
శ్రీనివాస ఎట్లుండావు? హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే. సిల్వర్ జూబ్లీ ఆయా, గోల్డెన్ జూబ్లీ ఆయా, ప్లాటినం జూబ్లీ అట్లనే చేసుకో రాజా. వీటికి ది మోస్ట్ హ్యాపీయెస్ట్ డే ఇన్ అవర్ లైఫ్ ఈజ్ 19th December 1970. నువ్వు పుట్టిన తక్షణము ఆలంపల్లి ఫ్యామిలీ అండ్ కామిశెట్టి ఫ్యామిలీ ఫుల్ ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్లీ దే ఆర్ హ్యాపీ. సో నీకు దేవుడు ఆయుష్, ఆరోగ్యము, ఐశ్వర్యము, సుఖము, సంతోషము ఇచ్చి కాపాడినప్ప. సంధ్యాకి సుమంగళితనిచ్చి దీర్ఘాయుష్ ఇచ్చి ఆయుష్ని, పావనాకి మంచి బుద్ధి విద్య ఇచ్చి మంచి జాగాలో పెండ్లయ్యి ప్లాటినం జూబ్లీ చేసేటప్పుడు ఫుల్ ఫ్యామిలీ ఉండండా. మల్లేశ్వరం తాత చెప్తా ఉండ్రి, శ్రీనివాస కళకాయ మిఠాయి తినేకి సంపాదియప్ప అని చెప్తా ఉండ్రి. కంటోర్మెంట్ అవ్వ నల్లు గుల్పాప్ట నా మనముడికి చాలా ఇష్టము ఉంటా ఉండ్రి. వాళ్ళ పెద్దోళ్ళ ఆశీర్వాదం అంతా నీకు ఉన్నియప్ప. స్టార్ట్ చేయండి. 76 నుంచా స్మాల్ ఫ్యామిలీ, నలుగురు ఎంత బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటుంది. అందరూ నైస్ ఫ్యామిలీ అని చెప్తా ఉండ్రి. మనిషికి 2 కళ్ళు ఇంపార్టెంట్. అదే తర మాకి 2 కొడుకులు ఇంపార్టెంట్. మేము చాలా ఖుషిగా ఉండాము. ఎప్పుడూ చెప్తారు తలెత్తి చూడాల బిడ్డని. తాత బిడ్డ కొడుకు డాడీ పైనకి వచ్చిరి, ఆమెకి మా 2 బిడ్డలను తలెత్తి చూసే అట్లా పైనకి వచ్చిరి. మాకు చాలా ఖుషి రాజా. అందరికీను చాలా ఖుషి. జర్మన్ ఫ్యాక్టరీ ఎట్లుంటుందో అదే తర నీ ఫ్యాక్టరీ ఉంది. సో బాగా ముందుకు రాప్ప. ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్.